guys, my name is Natalia, Amaya, and today we are learning the Shuffle Speed Challenge to Matt's new song, Love Where We Are. I love where you are because I'm so happy you're here and I'm so happy to be teaching you guys, so let's go ahead and get started, okay? The first step of this challenge consisted of a Charleston combo, so first we're gonna review the Charleston. If you can do this, then you can do this. And I'm gonna show you exactly how, okay? Let's start with warming up that pivot. We're doing the twist, like I think this is like from the 60s. Other side. Our weight's on the ball of our foot, which is like this part of your foot. We're gonna do both feet together. We're pivoting. And now, ballet terminology. This is turn out, as in duck stance. Turn in, as in pigeon stance. So we're going from duck to pigeon, right? Turn out, turn in, out, in. When we turn in, pick up one foot, and pick up one foot, and lift, lift, lift. I feel like that's harder than the actual Charleston, but now we're gonna step in front with that leg. So when we turn in and we lift that leg, step in front, turn both out, okay? We're turned out, turn in. See, it's hard to like stay here. Step in front, both turn out. You lift up one leg, both turn in. Step in front, both turn out. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Let's drill that Charleston together, ready? In, out. Turn in, step, turn out. Turn in, step, turn out. Turn in, step, turn out. Now let's do 2 forward, 2 backwards, ready? And 1, 2, we're gonna go backwards the same way we came forwards. We turn in, but we step back for 2. Front for 2, back for 2. Front for 2, back for 2. Front for 2, back. Speed it up. Back, front, back. Pivot. Your weight's on the ball of your feet. And just like that, you're doing it. I believe in you so hard. I know you can do this. And if you need to rewind and watch that like a few more times, nobody's judging you. Take your time and go at your own pace because I know you can do this. Now, for the speed challenge, we're taking that Charleston 1 step up. So after the first one, we're gonna hit our foot. Ready? And pivot, hit. From the back, it looks like this. We're stepping with the right. Pivot and hit. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. In slow motion, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna bring it back. Those 2 Charleston forward, 2 back. We're still doing it, but with like a little hit. So let's try putting that together in slow motion. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 front, 2 back, but with a hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna do what we like to call toe taps. So we're gonna hit our toe, hit our heel on both sides, and it looks like this. The transition from the Charleston to the toe tap is you just hop on that toe, hop to the heel, okay? Toe taps look like this. And what you're doing is just switching from hopping on your toe to your heel. And your hips also change. So if I'm like on this toe, hips are facing this corner, heel, hips change. Toe, hips stay, heel, hips change. Toe, stay, heel, change. Look at you guys. That's footwork for you, okay? So let's add that to the Charleston, okay? So we're doing 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 hit, 2, 3, back, 4, hop, 5, 6, 7, 8. And something that's super common in shuffling is for your arms to follow your feet. So with the Charleston, I'm kind of just like when my foot comes up, I'm whacking it, and I'm just kind of like opposite foot, opposite arm. For the toe tap, my toe is down, my arm is down. Toe comes up, arm comes up. Toe down, arm down. Toe up, arm comes up. So let's do the whole thing, adding those arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to travel on our heels. So from here, we're gonna cross with our heel and pivot on it. And switch, pivot. So from the front, it looks like this. 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, heel, okay? We're almost there. We're here. All you're doing is crossing that foot in front of you, pivoting on the heel, change, pivot. And the arms are right here. In shuffling, when we're doing like crazy footwork, like sometimes so much is going down there, the arms stay simple. We're leveling up our footwork today, all right, guys? So the heels are happening on 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go over the counts, and then I'm gonna show you 5, 6, 7, 8 too. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that last move, that 5, 6, 7, 8, our arms go from here to up here, and we're milking it, but we're hopping while we do that. So to show you the whole thing from the front, from the Charleston, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go over that transition. 3, 4. We're gonna, both of our feet, hips, everything facing this corner. We're gonna hop, so it all faces this corner. Hop, scoop, hop, scoop, hop, scoop. I'm hopping and changing my hips. This move looks super cool. All I'm doing is pivoting. Hop, 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 hop. The leg goes like this. Let's practice scooping the leg. And scoop, pivot, scoop, pivot, scoop, pivot, scoop. Hop, 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 all together. Scoop, 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 scoop. All right? Let's go over the transition one more time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. So now let's put it all together, add music, increase the speed, and like, you'll be a pro in no time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, guys. Let's speed it up a little more. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1 hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from there, you do it again. From that 8, you go straight into pivot in to go Charleston. So let's go over that transition. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. You see that turn in for a second? Let's try it with music. I'm gonna play the song and do it for you just watch this round, okay? Because then I'm gonna slow it down so we can practice to work our way up to this speed. But first I wanted you guys to know the steps. You ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Where we are. This song is a speed challenge, okay? So you might see me do it at like 70%, 80%, 100% online. So we're gonna learn it that way. We're gonna learn it at 70% and 85. Well, we're gonna practice it at 70% because you guys already know it. And you guys got this. I know you got this. You were born for this. And then we'll work our way up to 100. But first, let's do 70%, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Quite honest, I feel like it's harder slow. Like I have to think about it more when it's slow. Where in dance, especially in shuffling, you just want to flow. So let's speed it up a little bit and flow. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. In you. I know it. Let's go 100%, all right? If you're struggling, just know you learn the most when you're pushing yourself. So push yourself a little more with me, and let's do this thing. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. Oh my God. And just know, even pros mess up too, and I'm leaving that in there just so you know. But the dancers you see online aren't perfect. We all mess up. Let's run it back. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. Again. I want you to close your eyes for a second and visualize yourself doing the combo, or at least having fun with it. If you're having trouble with the Charleston, step, hit, step, back. Modify wherever you need, but let's nail this together, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, let's go. Spending this time with me. I hope you had fun. Once again, my name is Natalia Amaya, Natalia_Amaya A on the gram, and I'll see you later. Bye.